MrBeast gives away millions of dollars, cars, houses, stacks of cash. So how is he getting richer every single year? Because if you gave away that much money, you'd probably go broke fast. No savings, no backup plan, no way to recover. But he doesn't. And the reason why has nothing to do with luck. In fact, if you understood how he uses money, you wouldn't lose it. You'd multiply it. And this is where most people get it completely wrong. Most people believe making money is the goal. Get a job, earn more, save a little, spend the rest. That's the system most Americans grow up with. And on the surface, it seems to work. But here's the problem. The moment your income stops, your life stops. Bills don't wait. Expenses don't pause. Stress builds fast. MrBeast saw this early, and instead of playing that game, he chose a completely different one. Before the millions, Jimmy Donaldson was just a kid in North Carolina, sitting in his room, uploading YouTube videos. Again, and again, and again. For years, nothing worked. No views, no money, no recognition. Most people would have quit, because when there's no reward, it feels pointless. But here's the first difference. He wasn't chasing money, he was chasing improvement. And this is where things start to shift, because the people who focus on money early often lose. The people who focus on building something eventually win. Then one video worked. Views started climbing, subscribers followed, money finally came in. Now for most people, this is the moment they've been waiting for. The reward, the payoff. And what do most people do? They spend it. Think about it. You get your first big paycheck, or a bonus, or a raise. You upgrade your life. Better phone, better car, better apartment, more eating out, more subscriptions, more lifestyle. And it feels good, like progress. But here's the truth. You didn't build wealth, you built expenses. And this is exactly where MrBeast did the opposite. Instead of upgrading his life, he upgraded his system. He took the money and put it back into his videos. Bigger ideas, better production, more extreme concepts. And something interesting happened. Each video got bigger, more views, more attention, more revenue. And this is the part most people miss. He wasn't spending money, he was investing in growth. And that created a loop. Make money, reinvest, grow, make more money again. And again, and again. Most people never build this loop because they break it too early. Because the moment money comes in, they remove it from the system. And once you break the system, growth slows down. MrBeast understood something very few people understand. Money follows attention. More attention equals more views. More views equals more income. More income equals more opportunity. And the bigger the attention, the bigger the leverage. And this doesn't just apply to YouTube. Think about business. Think about skills. Think about your career. The more value you create, the more attention you get. The more attention you get, the more opportunities show up. But if you never reinvest, you never grow. Here's what most people do instead. They earn more, then they spend more, and now they're trapped. Because their lifestyle grows faster than their income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're stuck because you don't keep enough. MrBeast flipped that. He didn't ask, how much can I spend? He asked, how much can I reinvest? So what does this mean for you? Let's make this real. Let's say you earn an extra $500. Most people spend it, maybe on things that feel good in the moment. But what if you did something different? What if you invested it into learning a skill, into starting something small, into tools that increase your income? That's how momentum starts. Not with huge money, but with smart decisions, repeated over time. And here's where it gets powerful. Small reinvestments turn into big outcomes. Because over time, you stop being someone who spends money and become someone who builds with it. There are two types of people, those who consume money and those who multiply it. Most people consume, very few multiply. MrBeast doesn't just make money. He turns money into a machine that makes more money. And once you understand that, you stop chasing income and start building systems. So the real question is, are you spending your money or are you using it to build something bigger?